Hi everyone, and welcome to week 2. So in this week, I would like you to take a look at the worksheet that I gave you in class yesterday. It has some more information on how to write a clear, concise summary. And at the bottom here, I'm just going to start with this. What I would like you to do is read the notes and then choose an article or blog post online on a topic that interests you. So it could be a news article, it could be a blog, any kind of article will do. Shouldn't be too long, like not much longer than a page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions on the handout that I gave you, using some of the language that is indicated on the sheet, and write a 125-word summary. So that should be about a paragraph, 2 paragraphs maximum. And then you're going to write your summary on paper this time, but you can post it. You can post it in the news forum, in the general discussion forum. Okay, so that I have a copy. You could also bring the copy of your summary and the article with you to class. Now, it's not due on Thursday, but it will be due the following Tuesday. All right, so that's the grammar and writing. Now, this is some practice with gerunds and infinitives. You'll see that there's quite a few activities. Now, I don't expect you to do all of these, but if you need practice, you can work at your own pace. What I would like you to do is try one practice at each level. So 1 at basic, the first one at intermediate, and 1 at advanced. And that's the requirement. The rest is self-paced. You can go back and you can continue to work on that skill. So then there's an activity on chunking. Just make sure that you're using when you're responding here, you're going to add a new discussion topic. You're going to practice chunking. Here's the paragraph you're going to read right here. Read the following after listening to the video. You're going to record your voice here using the recorder. Okay, and so you have to use the microphone. When I click the microphone, allow your microphone, and then you can record, and then stop when you're finished and insert, and the video will insert into the discussion forum. Don't forget to post to the forum when you're finished. Sorry, I'm going to go back. And finally, so this section is listening. We're getting ready for a listening PBLA. So this is practice. In the first part, you're going to listen. You're going to click on the arrow and listen. There's some questions here. But at the bottom, you'll see there's additional practice. So there's mixed up sentences, multiple choice, sentence and vocabulary, and there is a transcript as well. I think when you open this is the match, the vocabulary. I'm just looking. There is a transcript as well if you want to read the transcript. Here, see listening script. So if you click on that, you can actually follow along. Okay. So that's just skill building. Okay. And then this activity is another skill building activity. So if you click on this part, you're going to play here the radio program and listen, and the questions are here. Okay, so click on that. It's going to download, and then you'll click on it and you'll see the questions here. So these questions you're going to have to print out or write your answers on a piece of paper and bring with you to class. Okay, so I would like you to work on this listening for Thursday. Okay, and I believe, if I can get out of here, sorry. And I believe that's it. So again, these two I would like you to work on for Thursday. This you have more time. The summary you have more time. The grammar you have more time. And these two you have more time to work on. These, but do try to do the listening for Thursday and also the practice for the speaking PBLA.